Be the blank.
Be the leader. Be the future.
Be the hustle means hustling down every single flagpole, every single time you get beat.
Put myself as a leader.
I think being a leader is important on the field and off the field. Be you are what you think you are, whether that be in a game or off the field.
Be who you are on the field and off the field.
You have complete control of what you want to be and what you want to do.
You know, I want to be the voice for all the next young women and men who want to play this sport.
This sport has grown so much in the past few years.
I've seen the sport grow tremendously.
You have LA 2020 Olympics, you have D1 scholarships.
Even like myself with my own eyes, going from playing the same 3 teams in a local Arizona tourney to traveling to Orlando, Florida for Worlds.
It was such a small sport and now it's really big.
And all of that just means there are more opportunities. That is what we have been fighting for so long.
I love seeing women move up in the sport. I love seeing women of culture move up in the sport. Girls want to play this and they want to grow the sport. They're not backing down anytime soon.